Edohia wa bede ne edohia fe ni ro wa kere ni risi wa hia bede ne o ejotu wa hia fe abi baba ke ba bi ye ni ro wa kere ni ro de ejotu wa hia o wa ni redo Nigeria go wa ejotu wa hia o wa ni risi o we bo no o te wa ne kwi yebe no ejotu wa hia fe wa hia bede ne wa bo wa o nigege na nwa bebi ya ye he bebi ya ye wo wa bebi ya be ye he wo do ebonu wa ye de o ma de o fure egbe wa ya wo egbe wa egbe no be ra egbe no bi ye yan ya wo de ni ama eti wa wo enwuna no wa nwina wo bo ye he e ya kyanse ina wa ya fe o e mon wa bi ele di ama di an yo wiwe ni de yan we ma la o da o bo wiwe ni yan we pass be zuku e be ni anti di anti ese we na bi bi mo do wa be ri yo bo ni yan wa be zi wo no keke na ze ne mo wa ya lo yan wa we so igba mani ro e na ma emi nwu na ya yi wa o ze ye kere kere o su wa bo kere kere e ma na tie na we na do we inwu na meke na bi emi ya ni ane ya so nwu na de yan yo na mata uke ba de ke ha na ade we de ha de na ma nwu na we dele mi ni ane ya nwu na de yan yo na mete we de ma so gbebe kun ma o do we ri o wan gi yan ma mi won no egbebere wa ga fi ke gbe o èmi na ma ma wo no o àwa gwali yo bo yobo ni e wa bu we de Kaduna tota do we ma be ri na agba oge na ri yobo na o gi ambo ọ̀gá na re Dr. Amadasun go kun na ya tie aya tie na bu ni abo ọ̀gá ni wa ri gi na we gbe begi me ri an me we gele gi man so yo èmi kemi na wa yo no we I'm mazda yo bo we kemi no ri akin o eto da me no o eto na gbe no o e ka na fia no o e wa kwe na u no o ugbo na gbe no no wo no we ma ri e ari we me ni ma we asa ne no ya wo o be wo na ma do vie madagwa e no ya anwe na no ya do kini abedo vie na pede varo bu kiebe o kie eri po no de na e ma awe e wana ma e ya fe ma do vie mi ni ya pede varo bu kiebe emi o kimi po wa ye o no ma eri o wan gie ogana we no ri gie o ma we cha de o de ma so no we be na ya dole e ta ya yi he Not if organizer. We don't know, we don't be not book Ghana account. The man we don't know where not a wedding. Yeah, no semi or baby account. The one we all know where we need mechanic or get diesel engine. We know boy account. My mean ya fe or go here. We man me I go. Edu wàhálà don't we don't have me no man and na tana egbe ye ko opa tami won abi tami ye do we o emi ke mi no wan ri o don wina ma na ma be you bo na ya so eri ayi be we mi se ogi ma ya fe ga me ko na ya ri you bo don tun wa o the eminenta na wa bi tami won abi ma no we work ya ebiesi emu bo bi on we de ba ebiesi no we when I do ya fair and do winner. The Munakim na only akin. No do worry, not here. Not he good one, just one. At the Levin and just one. Again, I hour and I bet will be so kyopa, it's so kiva, it's okay. I was it. Only lower. A logo, But my guardian who gives an ass one. You need a kibogo bonk, no one. So the boy, don't does he. Mapọnwụ o marowe o dawo sadobua wo dagbedamu kebagbon kebeyimi ahogwe aga o iyobo we asimabo afiangba we asimabo manedo mawe sikoko na mawe dogun amaze dozebo na ya mamami eba gbon na oke sadobua ni na wa ibi anu gudan ma orion ramako Maya word na atie ewoni bundi e ma be na ata se ewoni bun redo dai ho wana e me na beta aza na bio yi ewoni bun we yo so pa we do sadobo a wo gie na we na ya ri yo bo na gbon e ma na we un we gie egi ma he o sadobo na wa iri mi a o sadobo no gie ndo pàṣẹ yìnbọn náà àwọn ogun pàṣẹ yọ olùpín àbọwẹ yọ náà ọgẹ sọdọbùà nùgì ẹ mànùgì ẹ hùhùn ẹgì àgbọn gbẹ yìí mà gbé ẹgì àgbọn yé ewẹ rí ayé wa ẹgì àgbọn tó rè yíyé kí báyà rí ayé wa láàgì nánà tó mọ sọdọbùà náà wà nàìjíríà rẹ ní Jésù Kristi ìgbàwé ẹ náà gẹ ẹ mà sẹ náà yẹ kàwé yàfẹ rẹ ní Jésù Kristi náà wà. Isa. Wahia wa isa o. Wadon yere wa bokian o. So yame say we bokian. Glory yamo bokian. Kingsley Blasogi bokian. Wakoyo. Na di bude na o. Wadon wero ku no be ke ba ni ba wa bokian. I welcome all people who are on the screen. There are not many yet, but I can see 5 people over there. I'm not seeing you, but yes, you are seeing me. I welcome you to today's broadcast. All right? Now, Egibude no we bude oge ogyo hen osa. Ibude di maniere ogyo hunsa no. Beno sagwalemi. Today is our day for pastoral counseling. Pastoral counseling. We counsel people. We counsel community. We counsel individuals. Okay, but we do it on behalf of God. We do it basing it on the word of God. If anybody has any question, you can send it to me through this medium, and I will attend to it. But I will attend to it in the name of the Lord God of heaven. Okay? Otherwise, what we do here is community counseling, so that everybody can hear, listen. So today is our pastoral counseling. All right. Our topic for today is anger management. Anger management. Today will be part 1 of it. Part 1. Going to be about 3 parts, because anger management is a very wide topic. Therefore, we're going to give it thorough explanation. So today is part 1. Next week we'll do part 2, and then on to part 3. So our brethren, let us participate. Let us listen. There is nothing in this world that God does not have an answer for. Whatever God cannot do does not exist. Hello? Whatever God cannot do does not exist. And God solves our problems in different ways. Many people are suffering in the world because they do not have proper counseling. The Bible says because of the lack of counseling, people perish. Some people receive bad counseling, wrong counseling. But we do what we do in the name of God. And we do it on behalf of God. And most of what we say like the Bible said it. We stand on the promise of God to speak for God. You can depend on this counseling. So today we are dealing with anger management. Anger management. What does anger management mean? There is no one on this earth who does not suffer from anger one time or another. Anger is a natural thing in life. Anger is a natural thing in life. We all respond to issues instinctively, sometimes through the emotion of anger. If somebody says that he is never angry, or he has never been angry, that person is either in denial or he's not living to his fullest. The person who has never been angry, and he is never angry, that person is either denying the fact that he has been angry, or he's not living to his fullest. Anger is just a natural thing. It's our natural way of reacting to something we don't like. It's a part of life. It's a part of life. Anger is not a sin. Hello? Anger is not a sin. It is the way you express anger that can be a sin or lead to sin. Hello? Anger by itself is a natural way of reaction to situations, especially on suitable situation, on palatable situation. But if you react to it in the wrong way, you might end up committing a sin. Just because you are angry doesn't make you a sinner. But if you carry your anger beyond your level, then you might commit a sin. We are going to deal with all this during these 3 sessions. Part 1, part 2, part 3. You have to listen carefully. Call your friends and your family to come listen, because there is nobody who is free from anger. I am not. It's a way of life. But there are ways we can show anger that will be approved and acceptable unto God. God knows who we are. God knows that sometimes we will get angry. But he has told us in his word, the Bible, how we can express our anger. Come and learn. So the whole process of how we can express our anger, how we can contain our anger, how we can symptomize, how we can show our anger, is what we call anger management in psychology. Anger management, how to manage it. It's a part of life. We learn how to manage it. There are different parts of life. Anger is one of them. Friendship, remember, I talked about friendship before. It's also another part of life. Huh? Okay. So thank you for coming. God bless you. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Ibude, okay, now. Oh, Izohu. Ona ibudore na Izohu. Na doche Izohu. Ogbera ohu. So pa na agwa kan runda wo. Ani wa na mohu wagbona. Na mohu. Opa busun e ma gbon e ran. Ami àwọn mohu ora mi wana wi en mohu ohu mu yen ebi nso eso ni yen ohu ma egbun yen dedebente ohu yen abe mu yen we o ma ye to o sin egbe ora ewe o ma egele lagbon fo o ma yan agbon be no keke don yen o ma no ira agbon na yen be no keke don yen o wa mi mi no mo ohu ugbenso e de gbegbe o ugbenso ohu no wa mohu ohu ko o nda man e gbana gbon ma wa ge bi ya fe ohu ko wa ti mi ya de ohu na mo wa o ni ohu ko so pa be ma ya die ohu ni ladian o ti ya stress ohu ko o ti ya stress ohu ko wa ka bo ye o ohu kankan ohu ko ohu ko ohu kankan o na gbon ma kin omegedo wu ya mo wa to pa be do wu ya mo e be we ya rie la dia useti ya rie la dia wu ko ugbe so ya wu ko wa ha izohu gbera ohu kekan ku wada ho izohu ogbera ohu kekan o ye kere e mo bo me no si to pa izohu oni ohu don gbegbe ohu no so ohu na joba gbopa oya ru erin dan oya gbe oya mu o ti han ogi asan so ya we bo so ya gba ko ma wo de so ya gbin na so Ethiopia so osisi odugu gan so wa gbore ni so ya fie na ye ri eso ọdún izohu ma ọgbẹgbẹgbẹ na igba ha ba agwa ka ma ga yi ha dokpa sayata ediva sayata na ma so izohu ikilo kede baya ye o eni ma ha ita na u ya ta mo 20 mo osewe we no did not die ho also when we bu ediye we no did not die ho ne gbe Magai Tana Bene, about build not a psychologist, when you are mama. Maybe don't time in a benon one was a little boy, you have Guala, you don't Guala. Izohu. Go. At the hobby or be die ho. What was it? What are you? Don't why have a day, I may one of that. Henry, you know, my book. Do you know Daniel Book? At the king of book. So we are dealing with this topic. We want to know what it is. What is anger? What is anger? We don't just deal with any topic. We have to research to find out what that thing is so that people can begin to understand what we are talking about. When we define anger, you will know whether you have anger in your life. You will know whether it is taking possession of you. What is anger? Anger is a strong feeling of being upset or annoyed because of some wrong or some bad. Anger is a strong feeling of being upset or annoyed because of some wrong or bad thing. So you get the definition now. It's not finished here too. That is the first verbal definition. So we get angry when we have a feeling of being upset. Something upsets you. We don't like this thing. You're upset. You reject something that is going on in your mind. And this thing that is going wrong, to you, it is a wrong thing or a bad thing. So you reject it. You reject it. But usually that thing we are talking about is not a physical thing like this telephone. So you cannot just say, hey, go away from here. No. It is something that you cannot, it's not tangible. You cannot hold it, but you object to it. You show the fact that you don't like it. So that attitude of rejecting it, it makes you angry and upset. That is anger. But anger has different levels. Some just get angry, you don't do anything. But anger that is deep can be a serious matter. We're going to see all along. This is not the only definition of anger. The definition of anger is deeper than this. Not just only in being upset or think about something that is wrong. It's deeper than that. We will see it. But izohu. Ina ka muwa we izohu odigba se ohu kekan o. Izohu we ohu kekan e opa o. Izohu odigba se ohu kekan. Bogi izohu. Woe izohu edo wadege. Woe izohu. Izohu evi no gwe ola orion pa we evi eso no sunu odon kho nema e sunu na evi no gwo orion pa we evi eso no kho ra nema o sunu izohu ọgwụ ọmasiọmkpa ebe nke na ọgwụ ọmasiọmkpa na ya ka wee emi na mma ebi no so na mma uhe ọmajewe uhonu dege dege me no uhonu ho dege me ebi na dege no uhonu dege dege no ma o dan na kenu ye izohu oye uhe where if you so don't sununa, if you so don't emma wo pabo ma pabo ba pa. No ni zo. Ogwa pabo ri won. O paro ma o. O rin ne ke don khiama izohu. Edo. Ori na warion where ebi na watana imbanko yo emma ebi no sunu na emma ori izohu ogwapa gwapori oparo ma kekan izohu Omaefo, there are some words that we can use to illustrate anger. Anger can be, there's some other words that you can associate with anger. Watch out. Some words for expressing anger: fury, rage, wrath, indignation, red hot, false anger, burning anger, kindled anger. These are other words that we can use for this anger we are talking about. These are other expressions, other words that can be used for them. The way they are written here shows you that this is not just ordinary annoyance. Anger is more than just annoyance. You can be annoyed for getting late to job, to work, or getting late to church or something. You can just be annoyed. I don't like this. I don't like going late to work. And that's it. But anger is more than that, just annoyance. You can see the description. Fury, rage, wrath, indignation, red hot, false anger, burning anger, kindled anger, fury, rage. It's from right and from left, the person is energized to move in fury, in rage. It's like thunder and lightning. That is the anger we're talking about. Kindled anger. It's like you set fire on something. Burning anger. It's like fire is set on something. It's something already burning. Whoa. False anger. Nothing can stand on the way. It's ready to break everything. That kind of anger. Wrath. The power of destruction. Destroying in such a way that it's hard to repair. Red hot. Like iron that is put in the fire and is red hot. Anything that touches it, it burns. Anger. Indignation. You get up to do something. Indignation. There can be a righteous indignation and there can be an unrighteous indignation. A righteous indignation is getting up to do to express anger about what God does not want. Example is when Jesus Christ took a whip and he threw people out of the temple in those days because they were selling and changing money inside the temple. He threw them out with a whip. And he said, my Father's house is a house of prayer, but you have made it a den of thieves. So he threw them out. That's righteous indignation. But some people, they have indignation for something that is not righteous, just because they want to. Some people go to a dance party and they scatter the whole place. They have no good reason for doing it all. Some people go to where they are eating. People are eating. They scatter the place. People will not be able to eat the food in peace. People will be running away. There is no righteousness in all of that. Or fighting at home. Or riot in school. Riot in university campus. There may be no good reason for doing it. But we want to show power. We want to show that we want people to fear us. So we carry some indignation out and do things and destroy things. Woo! For what? There may not be a good reason. There may be a good reason. There may not be a good reason. So there is righteous indignation. There is also unrighteous indignation. You see it? So anger can be defined in all these words. All these words. Anger. It is more than sheer annoyance. It is a carrying out of the energy to avenge the situation that is going on. Anger does not possess people every day. It's not every day. Because all the things that happen that make people angry, they don't happen every day. No. But they come when they come. And they come because of situations that we don't like. Wayagie izohu. Wayagie mamekina on. Wayagie. Owu. Onowo. Ibalegbe on y va. Isao on y ha. Ile on y na. Erin on y sa. Akpakpa. Oko. Akpoko. Wo. Agbeka. Ara. Manedo. Mame even. Na ya gie izo. Aya gie. Atana. Owu oni owu keka. Owu ni aya suwon izo. Owa na mo wu eti ava izo. Bege Ibalegbe. Owa no balegbe. Erin asunu. Ye wa mu gogogo. O mu gogogo awe ehegwe bo ehegwe. Awa ga mu ehon. Dendemi. Aba mi boy da awe ehegwe. Da ho. Igbe wa ba lo e. Isao, wọ́n sọ wà vanu kan wà dọ́. Ìbíẹ́ka alẹ́ gbẹgbẹ. Àfihàn àfi ọ̀nà tí a kẹ̀wé ẹ̀ báyọ̀ nà ọ̀hìn ìwúrà. Ọ̀wà dọ́ kẹ́kẹ́kẹ́kẹ́kẹ́. Òkó àfi èmi lẹ́yìn náà. Kọ́pì akéré àfi ọ̀hìn lẹ́yìn náà. Àbáyọ̀ nà ọdún bọ́ mu bọ̀. Isao. Ilé. Èèmọ̀ sọ òwú ẹ̀ wá rèé. Owe ware o vihen o atihen o ga swapa o atile o wo ma ko ma no we don ladiana o ma ko don we ni we don ladiana o atile ayile o e na ya na esu agbon ke be yin si koko ile o ma ya agbon wa owu o ma owu ga agbon Ile eran ìbá sọ̀rọ̀ òwúwẹ̀ rámù ìbá sọ̀rọ̀ ní ẹ̀yà rẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ èrè náà àájòhù mọ́ èrè náà wàá rẹ̀ nìyẹn kí ọ́ dé tọ̀ wọn. Dé òwú náà mọ̀ wọ́n á nìyẹn náà dé tọ̀ wọn kọ́ wọn dé tọ̀ wọn náà ẹ̀wù yẹn èmi dé ti yẹn náà èrè náà àpapà. Owa so rera zowu eto wa papa no apapa agbekan apapa iya we don na ma so no ni aga mowu ni wa apoko ni eyin no to oye tun yo we hin o so pon yan to se dike o wa apoko no wa yibo kan oge Ebe nu gaina. Awi ya gie wa no ezo. Aya gie. Owo. Eba so owo. Owo ibi no ton owa de gbe ma no lega ya fe aya kilo kede. Owo. O ma abi ona ka ri o ma wo so kene ye. Aya gie o. Agbeka ema soro odun wa men zowu na boya ya lene ayi lene o agbeka nda o are ke wa ni mi kan ko ni mi makan o wa je ya lubopa oko ke ma no bo ebude ke ma no mu egbina o wa je ya lubopa wa yi la onu agbeka izowu no ara ni obi mi kere no owu ha na mi ore gbe ebe do ha aye gbe kan o we don o ga to lo o ga ba lo ekere aye gbe kan o ekere aye gbe kan ni egbe yo ko wa ugban so ama gbo figbon Yesu ara ari o wa ma gbo figbon yo ehun ugban so ayagba le emi obi dan ya o ere Iban soro na ti ara egi ede kan wen tun dawo isohu beno ya die la dia ara no e na ya fe banado ya die ara izogu so izowe wu kekan so pan na le no yo wan le gbigbi edo. What are the causes of anger? Causes of anger. There are different causes of anger, and there are different levels. Listen carefully. There are different kinds of causes of anger. The different kinds of causes of anger are not the same. The causes of anger, major, is the legitimate desires that come wrongly to us. Legitimate desire that come wrongly to us. We have some legitimate desires, but then when they come wrongly to us or to against the way we want that legitimate desire, anger will come out. We're going to see some of those legitimate desires. Major cause of anger. And we are all full of legitimate desires in our lives. But when they come wrongly to us, we reject them and they make us angry and annoying. Why they should come like that? We reject them because we want to pursue those legitimate desires. We cannot do without legitimate desire. But when the result is not palatable, when the result is not acceptable, then we get angry. We get disappointed. And we show that disappointment in anger. What are those desires? Listen carefully. Some of those desires are natural desires. They are natural desires. We as human beings, we have desires every day. We cannot do without having desires. Natural desires are the things in your life, like love, like longing for something, longing for an achievement, longing for success. It's in your life. As long as you are alive, you are longing for something. Okay? Hope. We are always hoping for something. It's natural. Hope for betterment. Hope for success. Hope for blessing. Respect. Respect. We desire respect wherever we go. We don't want people to ignore us. We don't want people to sidetrack us. We want to be recognized and respected by our age, for our age, respected for our knowledge, respected for our position, respected for our personality, respected for who we are, for our achievements and whatnot. Natural desire for respect. We have natural desire for of fear. Fear is natural. We may not say we desire fear, but it is there. While we are pursuing whatever we are pursuing, it's natural for us to come to fear something. Fear is something that we don't want. It's a label on something that we don't like. When we begin to fear, then something is not quite the way we want it. It's natural. Control. We human beings will like liberty, freedom, independence. We want to grow, we want to be able to move, we want to be able to achieve. When there is an obstruction, then we react. When something stands in our way and tries to control us from the way we want to, where we want to go, what we want to do, then we are offended. Control is a natural thing and can be a cause of anger. I'm not done yet. Hold on. This desire we just mentioned now, most of them, if not all of them, they have their root causes. Look at it. Root causes. We just mentioned them now, but they are deeper than that. There is a place they are coming from. This is psychology. They have roots in our lives. As we say in African expression, from the bottom of our belly, of our stomach. Hello? Even though we are going to see them as love or longing or respect, they are deeper than that. They have roots somewhere deeper in our personality. Root causes of anger. Stress is one. Finance is another. Family problems is another. Underlying disorders, is another. Alcoholism, another. Depression, another. Even though we are expressing anger because our respect is not given us, or because we are denied of love, or because we are what? Or because we are not respected, or because we are controlled. Some of these things, they are coming from some other root causes. That's why you wonder why this man is like this and the other man is not like that. But they live in the same family, or they work in the same place. There are other root causes that affect individuals. People will not have the same family problem. People may not have the same level of stress. People may not have the same level of finance contentment, or financial scarcity, or instability, economic instability. No. They go from one person with a difference. And they will come out in anger, in the ones that were already a longing for fulfillment. But the longing you are longing is not fulfilled because you don't have money, or because you have family problems. You want to achieve success in education. You are pursuing it vehemently, like other students. But yours may end up in disappointment. You'll be angry because of that family problem or that financial limitation. The people with whom you go to school, your classmates, may not have the same problem. They'll be enjoying and hailing, you see? So, something that happened in the class may make you very angry. You may be angry, but other people are not angry. Something that happened in your club may make you very angry, but other people, they are not going to be angry. Why? Because you have some root causes that are leading to your anger. From where your anger is coming from. Family problems. Underlying disorders. We're going to talk about this later down. Underlying disorders. As we are in this world, some people have problems that are underlying their personalities. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. It is not the clothes they are wearing. No. It is not their hairdo or their makeup. No. No. It's not how tall or how big or something. No. There may be some disorder. Disorder is something that has gone wrong in their lives. Because it has gone wrong, it causes more wrong. Hello? As you see also, we are all different inside of our personality. So when that thing that is wrong is overwhelming you, it becomes a disorder. So in psychoanalysis, in psychology, we differentiate one from the other. Disorder. So it becomes an illness because it's already bending your life away from what it's supposed to be. And such things are not easy to overcome. Underlying disorder, alcoholism. Alcoholism is drinking alcohol too much. When the person drinks alcohol too much, and that alcohol is now taking control of his life and making him do what he doesn't want to do, or he doesn't even know what he's doing, then that's alcoholism. That person cannot do without the alcohol. Every day he wants to drink more and more alcohol. That's alcoholism. And when that happens, it's a problem. It's an underlying problem. So such a person who is in alcoholism, if you bring him to a club meeting and you all are discussing something, he will take that thing out of context. He will see one word or two that will make him angry. You know what I mean? That discussion will be disrupted because that alcohol has taken part of him. It will be a root cause for him to be angry. It's an underlying problem. So in marriage, alcoholism can be the root of problems upon problems. And people will come to know that they cannot help you because he's an alcoholic. He drinks too much. When you drink alcohol too much, it will work on your mood and alter your mood. When your mood is altered, it is a problem. It's already an addiction. Addiction is a process whereby your natural mood is altered because of something that you are taking. It could be drug, and anything. Alcohol is a drug anyway. Another kind of drug, whether it be marijuana or methadone or anything, those are things that can change the people's way of thinking, their mood of reaction, their mood of motivation, or addressing any issue like work or relationship. Those things that alter the natural way of going about these things is a drug. And that's why we say run away from drugs. Alcohol is a kind of drug. Alcoholism, depression. Depression is an emotional disorder. Depression is sadness that is over ordinary sadness. And when a person is depressed, that person is not normal. It will not be behaving normally. Depression is taken out here because depression gets into people very often. And many people are suffering from depression. Depression is extraordinary sadness to the point that the person becomes hopeless. The person becomes helpless. The person doesn't see any good in life. Even food, he wouldn't like to eat. To get her to brush your teeth, he don't like to get her to brush your teeth. To dress well, he doesn't see any need for it. Sometimes it can even push the people toward suicidal ideation. To want to kill somebody or want to die or want to kill themselves. Depression can push the individual to that extent. If you see a person who is depressed, don't laugh. Don't laugh. Try to find a way where he can be helped. He can be helped. There are some medicines that are for depression. And there are some activities that can help people to come out of depression. Usually, when people are depressed, they will take everything that they are doing into excess. Excess. You hear me? They are compensating for the depression that has taken part in their life. If it is food, they will eat it beyond normal. You hear me? If it is drinking, they will drink it beyond normal. If it is anger, they will take it beyond normal. If it is sex, They will take it beyond normal. Anything that a depressed person is doing, it will take it out of order. You get it? You take it out of order. Okay. So we're not ready to answer any telephone call now. We'll give time for questions, if in case you have questions. You get me? So these are root causes of anger. They're not the surface causes. They're not the surface causes. They are the root, far inside, beyond natural desires. I think you get me now. We have a disappointment in natural desire, and then we have natural desire themselves, and then we have root causes behind natural desires that make people angry. All of this is anger. Brothers and sisters, this is a whole world of life that is not open to everybody to see. You might be in a position as a father or a mother or a brother or a sister or a church member or a professional colleague or a traditional relative who might be in a position to identify, to see and understand what is happening in the lives of some people. Are you hearing me? So you will be in a position to help such people, to refer them to counseling. That's number one. Refer them to counseling. Refer them to doctors. Refer them to hospital. Normally, they're not going to take it from you. It's not going to be easy for them to say, yeah, let's go. In most cases, they would not like to go. But you know that the root cause of their anger is deep. So don't give up on them. Don't just agree with them and say, okay, if you don't want to go. No. You have to find a way of getting them to have help. Like I said, people who are depressed or people who are alcoholic, unfortunately, they can kill somebody else. Yes. Or kill themselves. They can commit suicide. It's not funny. It is not funny because you will see these people. Some of them are very knowledgeable. They have good position, good jobs, good money. And you hear that they died. They just died. Something has gone wrong for a long time. And nobody has seen it. When somebody tells you that he's depressed, you better take him seriously. Him or her seriously. So you see people expressing anger at a very high level. You need to find out why this person is always angry. Try to find out. If you are a godly man or a godly woman, we have responsibility. We have responsibility to rescue humankind. To rescue. You know what I mean by rescue? You see something that is going to perish. You take a risk to go there and get the person out of it. There are too many people who need to be rescued. From all of these underlying disorders. The family problems that we have, those are things that can be taken care of, but you also need some rescue, some effort for somebody to do something to rescue them. Don't just say, okay, you go to university campuses. Go to university campuses. See it? It's written on the faces of many students. You see where people are enjoying and people are dancing and so on, and they are excited. But there are some students or some young people, they are somewhere in their rooms and they do like this. They don't feel think that they're just quiet people. They're not just quiet people. They are sick. And the day may come when we exhibit anger. And it will be too late. It will be too late. Because he will not kill only one or two persons. He may kill more than that before he kills himself. This world is not like we are saying it, I tell you the truth. And if you go studying these things, you cannot have peace of mind. You cannot. There are too many problems on this earth. Wọ́n sí èyí zówú. Èmi ìnàgbà lọ. N'ọ̀rí ayé. N'ọ̀bá dé fíọ́. Ndị mma. Èmi ìnàgbà lọ. N'ọ̀rí ayé ọ̀kúlò. N'ọ̀bá dé fíọ́ ndị mma. Wọ́n sí zówú. Ẹ wù kẹ́kàn o. Èmi ìnàgbà lọ. Èmi ìnàgbà ọ̀nà kúrò. Ọ̀bá dé fíọ́. Bí ìnàgbà lọ yìí. Ó sì ẹ́ ìzòwò. Ọ̀bá ifọ̀. Èmi ìnàgbà lọ ní ìnàmá dé fíọ́. Bọ́mọ̀ bọ́kí. Ayọ́ ni ètè ya kẹ́kàn. Ọmọ tọ̀. Gọ́yé. Èmi àgbọ̀n. Èmi ọ̀rọ̀ àgbọ̀n. Udu àgbọ̀n. Igémi. Ọ̀yẹ̀mẹ́. Ọ̀yẹ̀mẹ́ mi nà yọ̀mọ̀ nà hó. Ahó. Ahó èmi nà èmi àti òhó nà wù. Èmi nà òhó nà wù nà. Òhó nà òhó nà ọ̀mẹ̀. Èmi nà òhó nà yí dàgbọ̀n wù. Ahó. Agwa lọ. Èmi àti wà gbọ́ àlọ́. Ẹ̀wá kẹta mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀. Nà wà gbọ́ àlọ́. Ni wà gbọ́ àlọ́ ni ẹ̀rá professor. Ni wà gbọ́ àlọ́ ni ẹ̀rá ọmọ ẹ̀wò. Ọ wà gbọ́ àlọ́ wà yẹ dàgbọ̀n yà fẹ́ wà gbọ́ àlọ́. Ọgọ. Ìmọ̀ àti wà gbọ́ àlọ́ gọ̀. Wà gbọ́ àlọ́ gọ̀ náà rí ọ̀wọ́ nìyẹn. Ni ẹ̀rẹ́ kì í náà wà ẹ̀. Nà yí dà họ ẹ̀. Ọgọ. Oha. Ebi no na mo wa. Uso no ru ewu odi on wi ma na na gbono. Oha no mo wa. Uso no do ala dan zu man no do zu man la dan be ohu. Izohu. Ase ma gbona. Ase na ma so ma agwa la ase. Ni ana we make ni ana gwa. Ni ana make na iwe da hia. Ni ana we make ye ya jare oru we da gbin ya. Èmi ni ara gwa le ni na ma na iso ma bo oyeme o mo ko jo o mo mo jo aho igo hu no ko mo bo yan kega ebe hu no tie no be o la ga no be agun be no kwa ebi kebi no gwa lo no boy ma ese ogono ahano aseno eni oruse mi no do asio wu bi no mana defio bi mata ba o ma defio no wa okulo no wa ni odo sizo hu that ya da gun na kana ya o dege o ma fo data na odukun na ekin Bogiro to toy, obele no to toy. Okay. Bogiro to toy, na tana udukuneno. O to toy we. O si ogimuna. O si ogimuna. I then winner. I be miona e gbe ọkọ àwọn o si e da gbe àṣepàgbé. Abe ku e kara. Abe mu kẹ̀kẹ́ la de, abe mu moto la de. O ma le so do e oge no. O na gba oge na o be gba yo wa e. Ege na ya di ba ho gbe ya di ba ho gbe e ko ya la lo bo. O be to gbe di mu na. O gbe se mu ne va. Gbe se mu ne ha. Aye we aye mu o si oge mu na. Ibi ba de mu na ni mai de fio o mai me don de mu. Ohu oruweko izohu oruweko odozu mandiadan odozu mialadian. Okwa ogaligo. Right. Ban e ba so do wuni bo oni elekere. E ba so do no wa kwa. O dia son baba. No ya migo. No ya we no keke no. O ya bo o ya yoku o ya doki o ya zige sukuru bia o kwani ehegbe mumu o do ki o ma obamba o do ki o ma baba e to e da ya do fun o ma take o ma o si organigo o kwa organigo do ba ide fio beni ka ba ma ide fio na ikulo izohu o na do ri egbe ladian ẹgbẹ́ ó lè wí ẹgbẹ́ ọlọ́kàn wọn ẹgbẹ́ ó tì í lọ́wọ́ ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ mú kí wọn ọgẹ́ náà gbà wọn kọ́ ọgọ́ tí wọn ọgẹ́ bí wọn ọgọ́ bó kọ́ wọn ọgọ́ tó fún wọn ọgọ́ tí wọn náà ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọn ọgọ́ tó bí wọn ọgẹ́ ìdòkú àgbẹ̀ èmi ní ìyàsí ìzòwò yọ owó bí ẹ. Odo zoom mi aladian bizowu. Edo do mi ma so yen do ati hen. Yen do ati anti hen no gbe. E se ya we bro. Hun de mi eso. No on do bun gbe gbogbo e ko yan. Egbe ayan. E wa so do no tayan gbegbe. O se tayan yin mi no wu. Wọ́n so do no tayan. E imoto e ti nfie. O efi e kedo nfie se o ya mi konegbe. Iwon da nyo o ke anyon na ya ri a ofion uwegbe anyon na nyon no bon ka o ike egbe ge ike egbe de mi mana de fi onu imaso ni do ike egbe Gẹ́gẹ́ ni ẹnu ìdòtí iye ọ̀nà gbẹ̀tí. Èyí ò kẹ́kàn iye ọ̀nà gbẹ̀tí. Wọ́n á kẹ́kì gbégbégbé. Á pè ránpìrì o. Èyí mi náà ní ẹ̀rí yé. Wọ́n á lé báyìí náà délé náà. Ẹ̀rí ẹ̀yìn ọ̀nà ẹ̀. Ọ̀kẹ́kì gbé. Húndé mi náà gbọ̀n owó húndé mi náà dán súnmù dàáyé. Èmi ni ọmọ ẹ̀dá gbọ̀n rí à. Ọ̀rọ̀ zo mi aladian izowu ọ̀la do sujo mi aladian. Ni men so waro oge no wu ni aladian do pia ino do sisi no o ya gbe ha gbe ne mo so gbegbe ba. Mami de di osun ike gbero ni lo boy magba. Upopo agbon odu gan no. Upopo agbon na odu gan no. Even so do no we azan wo opopo yen. Even so do no we eyin mi opopo yen. Even so do na agbon wa gele zo we. Hun de ovo kebi gbovo, kebi keko, kebi ri ako, kebi ba mi o. Kebi imama se awa popo van. Hun de fenogwe. Hun de mi no ta we mi dan o popo agbon. Eni osizo wu. Even bo man ladian bege so ele le wan ri din awa Popagon wale ekene mana nwina iwanze wa mi ebi no mata we ni ko abazo we ama mu na yo to den ahegwe de okwo die o ma so okwo ma se na ahegwe de ti bi e mi be school ya gwale ne ya kwianse na sia koto de ki no wa do wa gwa bo ya gwale be keni ya de o degbe o gede ye gede we ye za sia so ba ve ya we egbe we di efo odozo mia la dia izohu egbe ma ve di o ya ari opia ya gbe ha gbe na gbisan ya kiri gbegbe ya bae agwa le fian bo isiona ope egi popa ope ori pe ba ne vi ni ke aro o fion de wu bie o do wu e pa la dia e pa o do wu e pa la dia izohu o ya o ye pa no do la dia agbe bo siona bo gida we yesu asunu ahun we abewe bodo wa ahun we ewi ni na wa juice wa gbe arun gie ogbeso arun igbe oke gbegbe wa ma ta igbe bo isoni continue ai mata ma wa ti anyo singa itabe yibo tupo be ga ti ga upo pagbon ikeke gbe no ru wo ri o ipe akpe ne pise no okay aro ori o ze diakon o re wa vedidi o don vedidi do piari ri o do sisu you know I said him men o do zu mia la dia o mia do zu mia la dia o wizo zo na tim gbina abuya do ata bo se e ma soro no wa keke gbe no wa ru wi keke gbe emi awen o wi keke gbe agbon ya ari ka na ku eyo awe na do ri ba o mo o do ya ri ba ado agbe koko ma bo e ba e la tian bo gba no do ge o ru keke gbe emi awen o keke gbe o wa ara gbon na wa so wi we no yo opo kan e won we wa mi wa yewu no bo se wa gbeta yan iki egbe ora gbon na wuwu yan yan o ze e no vedid yo yan o ze emi awen no na we ma gbegbu yan wa emi awen no no bo ti depression aka bo gba okoto de osuki o de otonki o de obiebo ki o de mi na ki o wo gba okoto be dagne wa you want to wa won logo na ya o degi so kan we no ya we ni we no ya gun e we ya that's all wa mi o ri we you to te we bo we o to na yan yi dege be no saro ba ye uvunvun yan idege bo o je we to te ni e do ya de ye we fifun de ra no hange o wa na gbon ri awa yobo imi na o ri saka e ha ri saka ya pugbe wa bona ma no we yo salo boa ni ni ma no ma gwa le ni ma ya mi ma we ri ofan gbogbo logo e ka o ma kan won ọkàn wọn gbe agbon na salo boa yi na o mu yi ma bo ma ni yo salo boa ni ma dolo yi iwana wa ru pupo na tana kewe bo ke de ko ta ma ne ku asetin ka wana hun we ma so wa gbegbe wa e ma so wa ru po no yo wa hun wa gbegbe wa ogbon so wa gwa ma ya wo e emi ro tuto ona se ze ne o te me mi o kekeri mi me e fo be dio ona to yen bebe suku e zo ka de yin e fo be dio ona te pe ti o dan te le okin na ori ki on pa we no pa gbe o no ri ba o no gba gogo ibo wi en gba o mi no ru tuto ike ki gbe ni emi awon olele kan Everything na ya no to boy gwapa no do gele gbegogo yibo emi awen no wa hon ado emi awen no na sanyo no gbon yawo na da yen wi en o yen da gbon so de ora da o gba redion ke ko de ebe ko du popafo emi awen no o mo no kian we e ko yo na emi no kan we ko na ya si bie e do no ga vedidi wa hore to our conclusion. Anger is a known symptom of severe or several mental health disorders or conditions. Anger is a known symptom of several mental health conditions. Let us get it very, very clear. Mental health conditions. Anger is a known symptom. Many things with many anger, expression of anger, they are coming from mental health conditions. Mental health conditions. The ones that are coming from other stuff or fighting and so on, it has some root to mental health conditions. And so if people are angry, people have the problem of anger, you need to take them to the psychologist. You need to take them to the psychiatrist so that they will ask questions and do some psychosocial analysis of their situation. And from that psychosocial analysis of their situation, the psychiatrist or the psychotherapist will see the root cause of this problem. If you also see the prognosis, what is going to happen if it is not taken care of. Hello? In this complex world, these things matter and they need to be looked into. You can't push them aside. Izowu. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó tẹ Orion no máa sọ́tọ̀. Izowu. Ọ̀rẹ́ tó tẹ Orion no máa sọ́tọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni kàtàbọ̀n, ọ̀wọ́n náà yà àwọn Orion no máa sọ́tọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀wọ́n náà. Ọ̀rẹ́ sùkúù náà yóò náà. Ọ̀rẹ́ kìnnàdó náà. Ọ̀rẹ́ ìwìnà òwìnà náà. Ọ̀rẹ́ ukporo yé náà. Ọ̀dà àwọn Orion no máa sọ́tọ̀. Izowu rí egbe máa wẹ ìrìnà kí á wúwo Orion. Ọ̀ma sọ́tọ̀ ẹ̀ máa wò. Ọ̀dọ̀ rí egbe máa wúwo Izowu. Izowu ni ẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ọ̀bọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Orion no máa sọ́tọ̀. Ẹ̀yìn náà. Orion no máa sọ́tọ̀ ni ara àgbàlẹ̀ náà wẹ̀. Àgbàlẹ̀ náà wẹ̀. Ibi ẹ̀dọ̀ ní kí ibi Nàìjíríà ní pàbí Nàìjíríà ní wàá rẹ̀wẹ̀ bò náà wàá rúwọ́ lọ̀gọ̀ wọn náà ẹsẹ̀ ti ká ẹ̀dọ́ wàdó náà hó. Ibi ẹ̀dọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà yóò Áfíríkà ní wọ́n pa yín àrí ẹ̀bú èbó yín wàá rúwọ́ lọ̀gọ̀ wọn náà bíẹ́bíẹ́ náà ní wàtá náà ẹsẹ̀ ti ká gbèsè rẹ̀ yọ wọ́dà wẹ̀ bò báyìí náà lákẹ́ àwòdọ́. Ogi asọ̀nàdé ọ̀dì ọ̀bọ̀ kàgbọ́n ẹ̀dẹ́ àgbẹ̀sẹ̀ ti ń pa ọ̀sẹ̀wò náà ẹsẹ̀ ti ń wò náà nà dẹ́mu ọkọ̀ ewu náà dẹ́mu ọwọ́ ewu gbèrègbè yìí ọwọ́ bọ̀ kí ẹ̀hán èkéde àná wò náà èèmọ̀ àná yẹn wò náà àbẹ̀pà yé yà á wò náà àmì èhòlìdé awọ àpò èhòlìdé náà àgbọ̀nyẹ̀wẹ̀ yẹn wẹ̀ ọwọ́ yà á wò náà ẹ̀wọ̀n tàkìlẹ̀ náà ọ̀dọ̀ wò náà ọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ló tutù ẹ̀gẹ̀ náà ọ̀ yà vẹ́dìdì ukwu ni ga ivuo oiba kwa daho edo renwa ukwu ni ologo wani layo ege no ukwu ni ga ya vuo o rekwa ege no ya ru rekwa ni obogi bai Usela agbono rebu ega yunu ta Omudiao. Ebeni nigma igwalo na. Ebeni nigma igwalo na. Why gay? What the hell? Edo. Nadage. Idero wuna. Education ma be beti se ba. Ito yana kinde. Gay. Oti tie webo. Egu gbebena. Odikpi hiyan no gbera. Oti tie webo. Eme webo otiti no. Otiti. Edo yagbon. We yedo gbon ina we pe ye khara na. Gay. We no pe yunya gbe na. A ekpunya gbe na. Ebi ta iwe ebe na ore mo. Do we gwa ti bedo ukpunya gbe na. Ina we bu khin tayo. Ogbo ya ga yo we yi. Ni wata ye we bu iwe na. Eti yen iwe na bu ge ya ye we bu. Eti yen iwe na wa ye we ye ke iro do. De logo bu am ye iro do. Ni ari u do. Owa no ku ma yo nije. So ba no giwe so we ye na we bodu giwe no ye. E wo saluban matana. Oge obiaga. Gay. No muna yuwe ya gbebe na. Otiti no. Even the man lacking with Didian na a certain time. If the man lacking of Didian, no Kadians one or two, what, or it won't salaba no get. No giagun. No yellow boban no pon salaba no giagun. No yellow bona a bena yana. Open Sabano Yagun. No Yabo, Ona Ebonana Bio, you bo, Ubo, can bo, Ubek, Kore, Baba, lie. Ona ye, Tino, Salabano Yagun. Yea, Bena. Aguadon Tie. Do what ye bedo, even in your Benadi, who die. A Benaya Logan. Eh, Pepe, I yet do Yore. Owe no zewoto ma funda mana do mioto ma yi bi esku ma yi bi ka bani yu mana do mioto we oye we na efe ayewa ana agwa le fe hia okeke aya na ya kun usemi ni taban o wa kai kian na wo no bu so aba no gi ma mi me fa wo so aba no la don gi ma mi me fa wa gi ma gba ko mo da mane wa na ekwi ma ni wa na ekwi ma kaka bo wi o din yi o oyi we ni mama mi ni magwalo awe igo so pon mi na gwalo de na mi na gwalo iwe wa gwalo so kon mi na gwalo o mo go bi igo e je se ate bi we bi me igo ra gbona ne ma de pa gbona de igo yiro what's the man about ye? Even your friend, my walking away, you talk from Digo. You got me out, come to away my coin. You go to be out on away my coin. What are you? You went in your in a toy cacan. Am I going to wire you? It'll be bon you pinna. I'm going to wire you. If you know me like my azeri. No salobua, even a guanca who is so. Na swan. Salobala, when my atana, get la baton man deg. If I know you want logo on his own, loud me a foul. Wo salobua, I mean, they go. You know, what we need Jesus Christ, no, no, for one. Sir, yes, sir. But how way so do, yes, Talaba Guaro, Wiki Yahweh. Yahweh, I will tell her to my etade. Who have a gisod my etade. Am I for ye? Wabuka o Wanore. Junior Daniel Bukian. Mata a not one your Bukian. Noah, Eddie Joseph Omons, Abokian, Abokian. Jazzy Jazz, Koyo. Pastor Friday Omoragbo, Osaguero, Abokian, Weso, when I pastor, why I make one time, man, and Agbo. I mean, my area, but with the Baman, Imuno Salobanakin, Imuno Salobanakin. The tenants who are no way with the real Gẹ́gẹ́ náà ọ̀rọ̀ àwọ̀ fún dẹ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀rí ìsọ̀lọ́pọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n náà ẹ̀wẹ́ wàhálà ní pásítọ̀ Mágbọ̀n Kóyọ̀. Henry ẹ̀yin náà máa ń Kóyọ̀ Sọ́dẹ̀bàwẹ̀ o. Ada Ekini Kóyọ̀ Bókíán Ṣẹ̀yàmù Ẹ̀sẹ̀wì Sàfihàn gbẹgbẹ́. Lórí ìyàmù Sàfihàn gbẹgbẹ́. Kingsley Fiasogí Sàlọ́bọ̀ àfihàn gbẹgbẹ́. Wàyà ní eré kí wàdàn wẹ̀ẹ́gẹ̀ rẹ̀ díàn. Ìgbọ̀n Sàlọ́bọ̀ yìí ni ẹ̀dàgbọ̀n wà. Even while I time in my home, if you bought do, or I get be, or I get be, or I get be, and then do, or I get be. No, my home we don't have any time. And I ain't Miku. What can we do? We didn't do that. The last ever, I can have your Yaza, or YouTube. Now, I gave up. I'm going away. I'm going away. Even that Manguna, my amigo, I am Masabo. I mean, Nanamuna. Kaganaya, Aguazon, Zol, Tutoya, be your work, Kagadan do Agmanola, Kagadan do Atawana. I mean, I have my cobo. We have better than the naked work. What I mean, you do, so we do home, so one with La Marion, so one may I knew more. If in my area, another. When I bad Agman Baroko, I got you Boko. The boy know. Wàkíó gbé ọwọ́ bàbá dó wàkíó gbé wà wíjẹ dó wàkíó gbé wà wíwí ẹ̀bùn dó ọ̀wíwí ẹ̀bùn dó ẹ̀bùn náà máa gbẹ́bùn náà wà á tàmì yá ìkíní àdínígájé fàgbàdé bà wà wàkóyọ wà bàbá ọ̀kìnyà kò ní Friday bàbá.